Hi guys, welcome to Driving TV. Cabby here. And well, today I wanted to do something a little bit different and just talk to you guys about my personal experience when I first started to learn how to drive and what it was like. Because I know that I've been receiving a lot of comments of you guys just basically telling me how stressed you are. A lot of people saying that they're super nervous and they don't think they're gonna pass their road test, that they don't think they can be capable of going out in the road and driving, and it happens to everyone. I think that that is a process that everybody goes through as a beginner driver, but I will tell you what that is like. So I remember that when I first got my driver's license, I wasn't ready to hit the road. I had learned my stuff, all of the driver's handbook. I studied everything. I passed on the first try. I did my road test and it went amazing because I did practice a lot. Because that is one thing that I tell each and every one of you. Please practice daily. It means so much. It changes everything. You will feel confident. You will feel different when you sit on that road test in that car, and you're just there with the examiner, and you're ready. You feel like you're ready, and you're not that nervous. But if you don't study, if you don't do that, and you just go last minute to your road test, you are naturally gonna feel stressed out, and you're gonna have anxiety, and perhaps even miss a lot of things that you wouldn't if you had studied. But well, even though I had passed my driver's examination, my road test, and everything went well, I will say that I wasn't prepared to drive. I felt like I knew how to drive, but I didn't feel confident to drive. I remember that I would think to myself, I don't like driving. I'm okay with somebody driving me to places because I'm not interested. The streets are not for me. I thought it was very dangerous. Like the roads, I felt like I wasn't gonna be capable of handling so many things, like making sure that your car is in the center lane or within the lane, also checking the mirrors at the same time, your blind spot, looking over your shoulder, everything, right? And I'm not even going to talk about the highway. That took me a while, but sure enough, I began practicing. How I did this was the following. I decided to go around my block a couple times every day, and then I would stretch it out a little bit and then go to my friend's house, who I remember by that time she lived probably 10 minutes away from me, but it was all within a nice neighborhood, very calm, quiet. And so I started practicing. I'm like, I'm gonna go drive myself. I'm gonna go to her house. I'm gonna come back, and then that. And then one day I would go to McDonald's or to a store that's really close by, and then I would practice parking. Little by little, I started to gain this confidence. My mentality started to change to the point that now I feel like I need to drive because I feel anxious when other people are driving. I feel more safe. Let's say that. I feel more safe when I'm driving because I am that confident that I know what I'm doing, and I'm in control. And I love driving. I think it's an amazing experience. It's calming, it's soothing, and I'm sure you will feel the same exact way if you practice a lot, if you take your time, go over the handbook, study it. It's important to know the road signs of the street. You must know each and every one of them because you're gonna need to know what's coming, what's approaching, whether there's a stop sign that is approaching, the lights, the intersection, all of that, crossroads, everything. Learn all of that. That is very important, but the actual practice that you put in is what matters. Daily practice. Set a time every day, an hour. Go around your block or go from here to a store that's behind your house, and you're gonna see how I give it 1 month of you doing that, how you're gonna change, how you're gonna feel. You are gonna feel like you are the best driver. I'm telling you this, and I have no doubt, guaranteed, that your stress will go away. Those of you who are stressed, those of you who are experiencing stress and you don't feel confident, is because you feel like you don't know enough. You feel like you have never done that. And what's not familiar creates anxiety because it's the unknown. So practicing is gonna do a job, and it's what I recommend. All the videos that I have here in this channel, the practice tests, those are amazing. Quizzes, if you go to check communities, you can see that I post quiz, like a couple questions every so often. So yeah, I really, really, really hope that you guys feel better with time, and then you pass your road test. I'm sure that if you practice, I'm sure that if you're doing everything that I'm telling you, that you will ace that road test the first time. There's no doubt in my mind. So just do what you need to do. And guys, thank you so much. I want to say this before ending the video because I've been talking a lot, but thank you so much for watching the videos, for all the support that I get from you guys. I truly appreciate it. Drop your comments below, feedback. Tell me what video you would like to see, what tutorial you would like for me to do. And I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.